Evidence of evolution, made possible with the help of New England Complex System Institute. Edited by Virgil. No copyright intended.
Evolution, the change in the physical characteristics of species. Over time today, the major pieces of evidence for this theory can be broken down into fossil records, comparative anatomy, and embryology.
Comparative anatomy.
Homologous structures may perform different functions in the species living in the different environment, or it may have the same origin but different functions. Here are some examples of homologous structures. Forelimbs of dog, bird, bat, and whale, which are structurally the same but functionally different. Analogous structures have similar functions but different origin. Structures of unrelated species may evolve to look alike, because the structure is adapted to function. Examples are wings of birds, bats, and insects that have the same function but different in origin.
Fossils.
A fossil is the preserved remains or traces of an organism that is no longer living. The most common fossils are bones, shells, and seeds or pollen grains. Most fossils are incomplete because only the hard part of the organism, such as the bones or teeth, become fossils, while the soft tissues either decay or are eaten away before fossils can form.
Embryology.
The study of one type of evidence of evolution is called embryology, the study of embryos. An embryo is an unborn or unhatched animal or human young in its earliest phases. Embryos of many different kinds of animals, mammals, birds, reptiles, fish, etc., look very similar, and it is often difficult to tell them apart. Many traits of one type of animal appear in the embryo of another type of animal. For example, fish embryos and human embryos both have gill slits. In fish they develop into gills, but in humans they disappear before birth. This shows that the animals are similar, and that they develop similarly, implying that they are related, have common ancestors, and that they started out the same, gradually evolving different traits, but that the basic plan for a creature's beginning remains the same. There's still a lot more evidences about evolution, so make sure to check it out on New England Complex System Institute. This is Professor Penario, and thank you for listening.
Special thanks to